Okay, Victor's gonna show me how to get rid of my sickness. Okay, Victor, you do your thing.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. Yeah, you like
You nervous in front of the camera?
You cut the lemon when you cut the lime, and then you squeeze it. You squeeze it. Take the juice out. You squeeze it. Squeeze it a little bit. Squeeze it. Everything. If you want to kill the bacteria, you can even drink it. I have a cold. It healed me easily. And then now you're gonna get the honey.
Get some honey. See, I don't feel good. My throat's killing me. I got that dry cough. Victor, tell me how to fix this.
Yeah, you take the honey. When you take the honey, mix it together with the lemon juice. You see? Mix it together. What they do when you mix the lemon on the honey, it's gonna kill the bacteria on you. And then you know what you did, you mix it together. Not supposed to be too sweet, not supposed to be too sour, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I take it on I want to make sure I put more lemon for you. You put some more honey. Okay.
Oh, the honey. You put a good amount of honey in there.
Yeah, no, it's good because I put a lot of lemon juice too. Tell me, I'll give you about 3 days, man. You're supposed to be all right. 3 days,
Good.
man. No more coughing. I've been drinking since I was like 0. My family been doing it for me. This is like weird thing, man. Like an organic thing. It's a weird thing.
All right, I'm gonna try this. Better be good.